another marvel in this book. This etude offers plenty of opportunities to practice third position finger placement with kind of a triplet inspired rhythm, but also in a legato context. Really cool. You get to connect the notes by 6 or optionally by 12, which you absolutely can do, and you can take this much faster. I recorded this at 92 clicks. You can go way faster if you want. Sky is the limit. So find your limit. What is it? And really just have fun. This is a really cheerful little exercise with a couple of challenges that I think will be interesting to overcome. Thank you for watching my videos, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you very much for your support.